Welcome all of you to the session on how to make money in trading. Today in this session, you will learn how to make money in trading in a matter of just 1 to 3 easy steps, and you will also learn how to master futures and options trading in a matter of just 7 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. But then when I make this statement, there are some of you who will rubbish this statement, some of you will laugh at it, some of you will not be in a position to believe it, because there are people who have spent years together to learn it. But then today I'm talking about mastering it in just 7 minutes. And all I would like to tell you here is just go through the session. Maybe at the end of the session, you may have to revise your opinion. Okay, but then before we start the session, all I would like to request you people here is just make sure that you forget everything about trading that you have learned till now. Look at the session as a beginner. The more you look at the session as a beginner, the faster you achieve the end results. So when I'm talking about end results, there is only one end result that we are all working towards here, and that is to make money. And in order to make money in trading, the only two things that you can do here is buying and selling, isn't it? But then there are people who have done years of research to understand this one little secret, that is right entry and right exit. And these are the people who are still doing research. So today you all come here to decide whether you want to spend your time and life doing research and analysis, or you want to spend your time and life earning money. If you want to spend your time earning money, then you are at the right place, because from here on, you don't have to worry about the right entry and right exit, because dynamic superpower traders are introducing a revolutionary invention. We call it the dynamic live. It is the first ever stock market intelligence of the world. We call it the Domantic method. Now, what is so very intelligent about this? The intelligence here is that this dynamic live will automatically identify the right entry and right exit for you, so that you don't have to waste your time on research and analysis. Right away, you can start trading and start making money. But then having said that, you know that market conditions keep changing, and in these changing market conditions, for you to get the right entry and right exit, there are some very unique intelligence at work in this dynamic live. Let's have a look at them. Now, these are all the major intelligence. We have this wait and act intelligence. Now, right entry and right exit is very important, I agree, but at the same time, when not to enter, when not to exit is also equally very important. So this wait and act intelligence will automatically identify if there is any manipulation happening in the price, and it will make sure that it will avoid you from doing the trade, so that you will end up avoiding many minus trades. Got it? So that is a benefit. And then we have the zigzag caution intelligence here. Now when the price keeps moving up and down, all the temporary price reversals are identified by the zigzag cautions. So when the price is increasing, and if you come across a zigzag symbol at the top of the price, it means it is about to reverse downward. Similarly, when the price is decreasing, if you come across a zigzag symbol at the bottom of the price, it means the price is about to reverse upward. So when you have this information in place, you will be able to exit your trades very early with maximum profits. And then we have the sideways caution intelligence. You all know that price always does not move in an uptrend or in a downtrend. It also moves in sideways. It means it moves in a fixed range, very flat. So there's one phase where majority of traders incur a series of minus trades. It is just because people are simply not able to understand which direction the price is about to move, and they don't know that it is in sideways. But today, Dynamic Live is the one and only platform in the whole world which can automatically identify the sideways movement for you. And not only that, it identifies sideways movement before it starts. And then at last, we have the dynamic system cautions and DMBOTS. Now, whenever there is a major movement in the market, now you people must have witnessed the movement in the month of March, a major downtrend for years together now. And then after the bottom, the price has also come up, in a big way. So all these major movements, before it happens, right at the top or right at the bottom, these dynamic system caution symbols will appear, telling you that the price is about to reverse. Of course, it does not tell you how far the price is going to go, but then it will at least tell you much before that the price is about to reverse. All that you have to learn here is when to enter, when to exit. But then with the help of this, you will be able to exit your trades very early with maximum profits. Not only that, you'll also be able to take the opposite trade very early in order to capture the big moments and trade like a professional trader. So these are all the benefits of these intelligence. So today let's have a look at them in the real-time market to understand how they work and how one can benefit from them. Now here is dynamic live. In this dynamic live, you can see here there is this action information we are looking at. Now in this action information, whenever there is a clear point to buy when the price is increasing, then it will be very clearly written here as buy long act now. It means buy signal has come. take a long position, act now, buy it immediately. But then many times when the price is increasing, if the dynamic life feels that no, this is not a good point to buy, it is a trap, it may not go up, then here it will be very clearly written as buy signal, wait and buy. It means buy signal has come, but please wait, don't buy this. So just by reading it, any one of you will be able to understand whether to do this trade or not to do this trade. Similarly, when the price is decreasing and if it feels that this is a trap, then it will be written as sell signal, wait and sell. So this is the benefit here. And then you can see this reason. In the reason, as of now, for bank nifty, it is very clearly written as sideways nearing sign. It means it is telling you get ready, the sideways is nearing, right? So you can be prepared, and then at some point later the information will change to sideways start sign. So when it says sideways start sign, now what you can do here is whatever trade that you have taken, you can exit it fast with minimum profit. Or the other best thing that you can do is you can go trade some other script which is not in sideways, or you can stay back here until it tells you sideways end sign, because that is when the flat movement is over and the price is about to move in a single direction. This is the point where you have to enter and make big money. So these are all the benefits here. So when you have this information in place, then what will happen is you will be able to trade effortlessly with utmost ease, without any confusion or tension. You will be able to go ahead and do the trade. And then we have these dynamic system cautions. You can see here. Now, whenever these dynamic system caution appears, it means get ready, the price is about to reverse. So major price movement before it happens is identified with the help of these dynamic system cautions. But then today you don't have to worry, because your job is not to follow all these intelligence. Your job is to just follow only the Daumantic method level 2. And in this Daumantic method, you're supposed to check only the action information. So whenever there is a buying opportunity, here in the action it will be written as buy call option now. Or whenever there is a selling opportunity, it will be written as buy put option now. So for the first time ever in the whole world, when it comes to trading and when it comes to trading in option segment, Dynamic Live is the one and only platform which can automatically tell you how to trade in options, when to trade in options, and what to trade in options. So today you don't have to waste your time reading books, learning what is options and all not many things. Straight away you can start trading and earn money. So that is the benefit here. But then whenever it tells you to buy a call option or a put option, later it itself will tell you how long to hold your option. And finally, at some point here, it will be very clearly written as exit call option now or exit put option now. That is when you can go ahead and exit your trade. So when to enter, when to exit, how long to hold, the complete information will be told by this Dynamic Live. Your job is to just follow whatever it tells you to do. But whenever it tells you to buy a call option or to buy a put option, there's one more important thing that you have to do, learn, and that is to select the right strike price. Today there are many people who are already trading in options. There are many experts, but then not many people know this, that they have to select the right strike price in order to make big money in options. Now until and unless you do that, it is very difficult to succeed here. But then today you don't have to worry. Even the right strike prices are automatically selected by this Dynamic Live here. And then whenever it tells you to buy a call option, you can come look at this pyramid pointing upward, pick one number out of these three, that is your right strike price. Similarly, whenever it tells you to buy a put option, you can come look at this pyramid pointing downward, pick one number out of these three, that is your right strike price. So once you have selected the right strike price, just go about to doing the trade, place orders and execute the trade. But then when I'm saying all these things, I'm sure many of you watching the session, you may be thinking, boss, I'm a beginner. I don't know what is futures, what is options. Will I be able to learn all these? How many days will it take for me to learn? Will I be able to make money? Lot many questions must be running in your mind. But then let me tell you, as I promised you in the beginning of the session, it is a matter of just 7 minutes that you are going to master futures and options trading today and right now. So all that you have to do here is read whatever is written in the action information. As of now, it is written as stay tuned for next trade. But let's assume that it is written as buy call option now. If it says buy call option now, your job is to just read it. Read it loud. And before you read it, you must know which script you are trading. This Bank Nifty. So read it as Bank Nifty buy call option now. And then when it comes to trading in options, I've also told you that you have to select the right strike price. So let's say you selected the strike price 20,800 strike price. So read it as Bank Nifty buy call option now 20,800 strike price. This much will you be able to read? Is it possible? If it is possible, but if you still have a doubt in your mind, now what you can do is you can pick up your phone right away, make a call to your stockbroker. We are in the real-time market, so I'm not joking. I'm serious. So make a call to your stockbroker right away, and you ask him over the phone, If I tell you Bank Nifty buy call option now 20,800 strike price, will I be able to trade in options? Yes or no? You ask him. And when you ask him, you'll be surprised to listen to his answer, because his answer will be a big yes. Because they don't care whether you know what is futures or options. They don't care whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader. The one and only thing that they care here is, have you given them the right information? Have you given them the complete information? This is all that they care about. And now here you've told them which script, you said Bank Nifty. What to do, you said buy call option now. Which strike price, you said 20,800 strike price. Now all the complete information has been conveyed. So they will simply place the order and tell you what price it has been bought. Now for you to make a phone call and convey this information over the phone, now how much time is it going to take? It's a matter of 20-30 seconds, isn't it? 30 seconds, you make a call, tell them Bank Nifty buy call option now, 20,800 strike price. They will simply place the order and tell you what price it has been bought. And after that, just cut the call. Don't take any advice. Now after that, it will keep telling you hold call option. So simply hold on to it. At some point in the action, it will be written as exit call option now. So when it says so, then make a call and then you tell them Bank Nifty exit call option now. Now by now they already know which call option you have bought, so they will simply exit the trade and tell you the price. But any which ways, another 30 seconds here. So 30 seconds for an entry, 30 seconds for an exit. And you do this 7 times in a row, it means you have mastered options trading. Now how do you know that you have mastered options trading? When the public calls you that you are a master, when you're a stockbroker, when I call you that you are a master, then of course you are a master. But why will we people call you that you are a master? Especially why will your stockbroker call you that you are a master? It is because every stockbroker knows one reality, that is, anyone and everyone who comes to stock market investing, one or the other day they'll wind up their capital and they will go. So people will come, invest, wind up, go. People will come, invest, wind up, go. Now this is a routine they have been experiencing for decades together. So when this is the truth that they know, but when you do this 7 times in a row and at the end of 7th time when your account balance is in profit, then what will happen? All those people working in that stockbroking company, their eyes will turn towards your account. Their focus will turn towards you. And you do the 6 months or 1 year in a row, then what will happen is someday they will come searching you. They'll come meet you that day they will ask you that, boss, please teach us how to trade in options. How are you making money here? And that day you're going to tell them the truth, that you don't know anything about options. But do you think they're going to believe you? No, they won't believe you. They will laugh at you, because they will say that, oh, maybe you're not interested to reveal your secrets. So this is the reality, gentlemen. It doesn't matter how many books you have read. It doesn't matter how much knowledge or experience you have. The one and only thing that matters here is, have you made money or not? If you have made money, you are a master. If you have not made money, you are not a master. Isn't it? Similarly, if you want to master futures trading, in the action, if it is written as buy long act now, make a call, tell them Bank Nifty futures buy long act now. They will understand the language. You don't have to worry. They will tell you what price it has been bought. Similarly, when it tells you sell short act now, one more phone call, tell them Bank Nifty futures sell short act now. Now 30 seconds for an entry, 30 seconds for an exit. You do the 7 times in a row. It means you have mastered futures trading as well. Today you can go ask any experienced trader or stockbroker, when it comes to practical trading, this is all that you're going to do there. If this is all that you're going to do, then this is all that you're supposed to learn. And if you're trying to learn anything more than this, then I think you're trying to waste your time. This is the reality, gentlemen. And if you people have understood this reality today, it means you have already mastered futures and options trading. And you can look at the time. It took us exactly less than 7 minutes to master it already. Isn't it? So this is the truth. But anyways, when I'm saying all these things, some of you may be thinking now, do we have to watch it the whole day? No, you don't have to watch it the whole day. Once every 30 minutes, if you can check this action information, that is more than enough. And above that, there is this preparation which prepares you in advance. It tells you get ready to buy call option, or get ready to buy put option, get ready to exit call option. So when it prepares you in advance, then you know that what trade you're going to do, and accordingly you can prepare yourself. So these are all the benefits of these intelligence. But then for this action information to give you an entry or an exit, there are some multiple signals at work here. Now, which are these multiple signals? Let's have a look. Now, these are all some of the multiple signals at work here. Now, one is this intraday 3-speed signal, the intraday 3 long signal, the intra-week long signal, the zigzag breakouts and breakdown. Multiple signals are at work. And similarly, for an exit, intraday 3-speed signal, the major zigzag, the long signal, edge point, and so on. Now, you may be wondering why there are so many signals. Why should we learn so many signals? It is because, as I told you in the beginning of the session, market conditions keep changing, and in these changing market conditions, for you to get the right entry and right exit, so many multiple signals are required. But today you don't have to worry. Your job is not to follow all these multiple signals. Your job is not to even learn about these. Your job is to just follow this 1, 2, 3 easy steps. As I promised you in the beginning of the session, today you're going to learn how to make money in trading by following just 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Now, what are these 1, 2, 3 easy steps? The first step, just add your favorite stock or index in Dynamic Live, add it on the screen. And then second, check what the Dynamic method action information is telling you to do. Whatever it tells you to do, based on that, simply place orders, start trading, and start making money. This is how easy it is. This is the reason we call it as a revolutionary invention. So today, let's have a look at this 1, 2, 3 easy steps in Dynamic Live in the real-time market to understand how easy it is. For that, I request any of you to suggest me your favorite script so that we can see what the Dynamic Live Dynamic method is telling us to do. So in this Dynamic Live, the first step, for you to add your favorite stock or index, just click on this favorites here. Once you click on this favorites, now a drop down will appear. You are supposed to select your favorite stock here. Let us say I have selected Z Entertainment Limited as Mr. Manohar has requested. Now you can see here in Z Entertainment Limited, the action is telling you stay tuned for the next trade. It means there is no trade as of now. Just hold on, wait for the next trading opportunity. But then anyways, the preparation is telling you get ready to buy a put option. So you may have to buy a put option, be prepared. Now at this point, if any zigzag symbol appears, then it will tell you buy put option. Now that is when you can go ahead and buy a put option. But before you buy the put option, pick a strike price. So today's date is I think 4th June. So you can go pick a 170 strike price to do the trade if it tells you to buy a put option. Got it? So this is about Z Entertainment Limited. This is how easy it is, gentlemen. So let us check what's happening in UBL as Mr. Nitesh has requested. All right, this is the case of UBL. Now you can see the action is telling you buy call option now. So when it says buy call option now, first thing, pick your strike price. So probably I'll go for 1020 strike price and I'll go ahead and do the trade. I'll buy a call option and I'll wait until it says exit call option now. So this is the case of UBL. Then let us check NTPC. Now here is NTPC. Now you can see here it has already told us to buy a call option. Somewhere at this point in time, it was at around 13 hours, 1 o'clock today afternoon. You could have bought it when the price was 95 rupees. And as the price started going up, now it has already told us to exit the call option at around 2 o'clock. If you had exited, you could have exited at 95.20. Very, almost a cost-to-cost trade here. So it has already made you to exit and you are supposed to wait now for the next trading opportunity. So this is how one can benefit from this dynamic live intelligence just by adding your favorite script. Check what the action information is telling you to do. Select a strike price and just do the trade. And as long as you do that, you are here to make some serious money. So when you have this intelligence with you today, then there are some unique and special benefits as a trader that you can draw from this. Now, what are the benefits? Let's have a look. Now, these are all some of the benefits. From here on, when it comes to entering and exiting, there won't be any more confusion while taking a trade, because you know that it gives you the right entry and right exit with utmost peace and ease. You will be able to trade here without any much effort here. And then when not to enter, when not to exit, that is also automatically identified. You don't have to worry. And when it comes to trading in options, which is the right strike price, that is also automatically selected for you. The best part, according to me, is the preparation here, because it prepares you in advance. It tells you what trade you're going to do next. And finally, in the action, when it tells you buy call option now or buy put option now or exit call option now, that is when you are going to place your order. Remember, your job is 100% effortless, because your job is to just place orders. Now, you can place orders through your mobile trading apps or through your online trading terminals. But if you don't know how to operate them, the best thing that you can do is make a call to your stockbroker. They will place the order for you. So today, for you to start trading and start making money, there is no need of in-depth training. Simple basic training is more than enough. It is a matter of 40 to 60 minutes of training that you have to go through, and then you are ready to start trading. And as I told you, today any one of you can implement it. Even if you are a beginner, experienced trader, working professionals, housewife, retired people, any one of you can implement this. And then all that you have to do here is just implement it mechanically as it is told. You don't have to use your brains. The more you use your brains, the more trouble you are asking for. So it's better you use it, you just implement it mechanically as it is told. As long as you do that, the end result is automated here. It means money making is automated, gentlemen. This is the reason we call this as a revolutionary invention. You don't have to do anything. Effortlessly, you will be able to make money. Just implement as it is told. Money will come searching you. So these are all the benefits here. But then when I'm telling you all these things, some of you may be thinking, now what is the cost? What is the price? Let me tell you, there is no cost or price that one can bear for something precious like this. There's one thing that you people have come here to do, and that is to decide. Now you're all here to decide, are you ready to invest today to secure your tomorrow? Are you ready to invest today to secure your financial future? Now one way or the other, some or the other day, you have to do that. Let's make sure that this is the day. And if you're ready to do that, then let me show you what is the investment that you're supposed to make. But then before I show you that, let me also tell you that you're not going to invest some big money. You're going to invest a very small fetch of the profits that you can earn from this. But then just by looking at this dynamic live or a dynamic, in a video, in a video or in a session like this, you'll not be able to judge it. You'll not be able to understand its true benefits. But once you touch it, when you feel it, when you open it, when you run it, when you observe it, when you do some trades, when you see the real profits in front of your eyes, that is the day you will realize the true benefits of dynamic live. That is the day you'll realize what you have been missing all these years when it comes to trading in stock market. But then to make sure that at least you people can first get your hands on it to understand its true benefits, to make sure that every trader can reap the benefit of this dynamic live intelligence, for the first time ever in last 12 years, there is a big special offer being floated towards you. Now, what is the special offer? Let's have a look. Today, you can invest just 8,000 rupees plus GST to get this dynamic live for 1 month. But remember, this special offer is valid only for the first month subscription, just to make sure that you all can get your hands on it, touch it, feel it, observe it, do some trades. It is a matter of a trade or two for you to gain back this investment. And there have been many people who have been requesting us for trial. Now all your requests has been answered with this special offer in place. But then remember, this special offer is valid only for a limited period of time. Very soon the offer will go and the price will rise, because the original price of this dynamic live is 4,39,000 rupees for 12 months. This is the original price, but today you're getting it at just 8,000 rupees plus GST for 1 month. So today, if any one of you is interested to jump into this revolution and start trading, now here is the link that I've already texted in the chat. Just click on it, go through it, and you can immediately subscribe for this special offer. But then some of you may be thinking, now what is next after the first month? What is next after the special offer? Do we have to pay the complete 4,39,000? Is this what you're supposed to do? No, you don't have to pay the complete 4,39,000, because there are many more other offers coming your way. Now let us see what are the offers. Now there is this presidential rights where you get a same 12 months plan. Instead of investing, 4,39,000. Today you can invest just 1,23,000, where you get dynamic live intelligence for one entire year. You also get a dynamic system free for lifetime. Now what is this dynamic system? Now this dynamic system is another intelligent platform which will help you do some amazing positional trades in futures or options in any stock, index, or commodities. Now all that you have to do here is just spend 10 to 15 minutes of your leisure time to follow this and earn some handsome profits year after year. And the biggest benefit of dynamic system is it gives you signals and information one day in advance. So these are all the benefits, and then you get this for get this free for lifetime. So in this particular plan, you're getting almost 71% off on this particular plan for 1 month. But then we have the privilege rights also, where you get a 6 months plan at 72,000. You get dynamic live for 6 months. You also get dynamic system free for 1 year. And then we have the 3 months plan at 42,000. You get dynamic live for 3 months. You also get dynamic system free for 3 months. And at last, we have the 1 month plan at 16,500. You get dynamic live for 1 month. You also get dynamic system free for 1 month. So these are all the 4 different plans. You can choose for any one of the plan from the second month onwards. But for the first month, the special offer is at 8,000, and I have already provided you the link on chat. So once you subscribe to the special offer, now what will happen is The technical team will send you a mail. They will take a remote access of your computer and they will install this dynamic live as well as dynamic system today itself onto your computer. But then once it is installed, now at the same time, you can also attend an online workshop today at 5 p.m. wherein you will learn things in a bit more detail so that from very next trading day, that is from tomorrow, you can start trading and start making money. So this is how easy and quick you can learn and start making money. So this is all about today's session, gentlemen. If you have any other questions or doubts, you can ask me now. All right, looks like there are no doubts. So, gentlemen, thank you all for joining today's session. Wish you all a happy trading. See you on the other side at 5 p.m. in the online workshop. Until then, good day to all of you and thank you for joining.